Bonjour et bienvenue à French Art. Hello guys and welcome back to French Art. So today we have a lesson that is very much related to Hindi. Yes, to Hindi. हिंदी से वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा रिलेट करेगा. But in English, the lesson is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. अब as you all know, we have possessive adjectives in English like my, your, his, her, are and their. So same हमारे पास फ्रेंच में भी possessive adjectives हैं, बट थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है अकॉर्डिंग टू इंग्लिश एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू फ्रेंच. सो लेट अस डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट विद द लेसन. सो नेम ऑफ द लेसन इज les adjectifs possessive. To possessive adjectives in French we say les adjectifs possessive. Now you can see for every possessive adjective in French we have basically three options. Three options है हमारे पास and the three options are masculine, feminine and plural. Male, female and plural. Now this is going to relate with Hindi. अब वो relate कैसे होगा? For example, first we have is my. English में it is my. But in French we have three options. Masculine is mo, feminine is ma and plural is me. Now this is related with Hindi. जैसे हमारे पास हिंदी में भी my के तीन options है. मेरा, मेरी और मेरे. Same masculine, feminine and plural. And the same way we have in French. Mera is mo, मेरी is ma and mere plural one is me. So you can for the learning part you can directly relate it to with Hindi. Next we have is your. Now this I is written, this is for informal. Your informal. And the options we have is ton for masculine, ta for feminine and te for plural. Just as in तेरा, तेरी और तेरे. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज हिज और हर. अब हिज और हर के लिए हमारे पास सेम ही ऑप्शंस होते हैं, तो कुछ अलग अलग नहीं लगाना है. फॉर हिज एंड हर वी हैव ऑप्शंस सो फॉर मेस्कुलिन, सा फॉर फेमिनिन एंड से फॉर प्लूरल. सो बेसिकली उसका, उसकी और उसकी. देन नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज your. Now this F stands for formal. Formal your. Now the options we have is votre, votre, vo. Now the masculine and the feminine one is same. ठीक है, masculine और feminine one को हम same रखेंगे, but last में plural change हो रहा है, that is वो. मतलब आपका, आपकी और आपकी. Next we have is R. R के लिए options है हमारे पास notre, notre, no. Now same masculine and feminine are same, notre and notre, but the plural one is no. So we have hamara, hamari and hamare. Now the last one we have is their. There is lur, lur and lur. Now you can see the pronunciations of all of them are same, but we have added an extra s for the plural one. But there is no change in the pronunciation. तीनों को सेम बोलना है. लर, लर, लर. उनका, उनकी और उनके. So I hope you have understood the possessive adjectives in French that we have of three types. And you have to just relate it to Hindi just for the learning part. कि अगर आपको learn करने में दिक्कत हो रहा है तो relate करना है, क्योंकि exact usage is not directly related to Hindi. Sometimes it is same as Hindi, but sometimes it is not. So now let us start with the usage. First we have some examples. So the example is my mother. So if I have to use the possessive adjective my with mother. So basically the gender of mother, that is female. Mother को हम फ्रेंच में mère बोलते हैं. This one. Gender of mother, that is female. तो उनके साथ मैंने यूज किया है feminine version, that is माँ. मेरी माँ. तो माँ, mère. माँ, mère. Next one is his father. His father. तो his father में father we have is père. And now father is obviously male, तो हमने यूज किया है the masculine version of his, that is son. Son père. Son père. That means उसके पापा. Now the exact usage of possessive adjectives, ये तो examples हैं. So we have the rule number 1 here. Rule number 1. The choice of possessive adjective depends upon the object, not on the subject. Now this is very important rule. students often make some mistakes in the possessive adjectives. The choice of the possessive adjective, we have three options: male, female and plural, masculine, feminine and plural. The choice of the possessive adjective कि मुझे male, female या plural कौन सा use करना, that depends upon the object, not on the subject. That means मैं possessive adjective जिसके साथ use कर रहा हूं, the thing I am talking about, that is my object. I have to put the possessive adjective according to the object, not subject. Subject कौन है? हम. मुझे अपने हिसाब से नहीं देखना है. If I'm a boy or a girl, मैं तब नहीं देखूंगा कि मेल आएगा या फीमेल आएगा. But I have to see to whom, for whom I am talking about. What is my object? The gender of the object. According to the gender of the object, we have to put the possessive adjective. Let us take an example for this. Example is, my brother is a doctor. My brother is a doctor. Now see, we have to use the possessive adjective my. Okay. Now my is written with brother. So the object of my sentence is brother. So I have to just see the gender of the brother. Brother is obviously male. So we have to just pick the male version of my. That is mo. So mo farer e médecin. Mo farer e médecin. My brother is a doctor. So you have to just see the object, gender of the object, then you have to use the possessive adjective. So I hope this is clear. Next example we have is his parents are calm. His parents are calm. Now I have to use the possessive adjective, that is his. For his we have three options: so, sa and se. Okay. Now I have to use the possessive adjective obviously according to the object. So now object here we have is parents. We are talking about parents. कौन काम है? Parents काम है. तो parents क्या object है. So about the parents, obviously parents हम बोलते हैं तो more than one हुआ. More than one is plural. तो plural option we have is for his her, that is say. Now we have to use the plural version, that is say. Ses parents sont calmes. Ses parents sont calmes. His parents are calm. So I hope you have understood the rule number 1. Next we have is rule number 2. This rule is applicable for non-living objects as well. The rule अभी हमने जो पढ़ा ऊपर कि the choice of the possessive adjective depends upon the object, not on the subject, is applicable on non-living things as well. अब non-living things पे कैसे जाएगा? Let us take an example. First one is my garden. My garden. That is garden को हम बोलेंगे फ्रेंच में, that is jardin. Jardin. Now I have to use the possessive adjective my according to the gender of jardin. So now according to the topic of articles, I can easily refer to the gender of jardin because it is not following any rule. ना ही लास्ट में SXZ है, ना ही लास्ट में E है, तो फेमिनिन भी नहीं है, प्लूरल भी नहीं है, and it is not starting with a vowel, तो ये vowel भी नहीं है. The thing that we learned in the articles topic, you can refer to that slide as well. So the gender of jardin is basically male, that is masculine. So I have used the masculine version of jardin. So I have used the masculine version of my, that is mon jardin. Next is his pen. His pen. So to pen we say stylo. Stylo. Now stylo again it is a masculine word. Masculine word है. So again we have used the masculine version of his, that is son. Son. For example, if I have to use his laptop. His laptop. Now to laptop in French we say portable. Portable. Now I have to see the gender of portable. Because it is ending with E, it is feminine. Feminine है. So again अब I have to use the feminine version of his, that is sa. Sa portable. Now this you can relate कि जब मैंने बोला था कि the usage of this possessive adjective is not always related to Hindi, because हिंदी में we say मेरा लैपटॉप या फिर उसका लैपटॉप, उसकी लैपटॉप नहीं बोलते, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू फ्रेंच हम वही चीज लिख रहे हैं, उसकी लैपटॉप. सो बेसिकली द यूसेज ऑफ द रूल इज डिफरेंट. So just for the learning part, you can relate the possessive adjective with Hindi कि In Hindi we have 3 options and in French we have 3 options. But the usage you have to refer these rules, rule number 1 and 2. So I hope guys you have understood this topic, but still if you have any concern, any doubts, you can comment. And also if you like the video, you can subscribe our channel as well. Merci beaucoup. Enchanté everyone. Thank you.